A theme allows you to control the look and design of your WordPress website, including colors, page layout, and fonts. You can get a free theme or you can pay for a premium one. In our guide, we will mainly focus on the free themes. To manage WordPress themes, choose Appearance and Themes from the navigation section in your dashboard. To install a new theme, simply click the Add New button. It will take you to a directory of free themes. Use search or filters to find a theme you want to use. Once you have chosen the theme that you like, click on Preview button to see how it looks on your site. If you're happy with the result, press Install button. You can further customize your already installed theme with the help of a theme customization tool in WordPress. Simply click on Appearance in the left menu and click on Customize. From there, you can customize the current theme as per your needs by changing site identity, colors, background image, menus, widgets, and so on. That's all it takes to change the look of a WordPress website.